certainly this is a hot topic. And by the way, it's been a hot topic for a while.
Yeah.
November 30th, 2022 is when ChatGPT 3.5 was released and became by far the most quickly adopted technology. Within 60 days, 2 million users, which was just unheard of. Nothing like it ever before. By March, by the way, this isn't just ChatGPT and OpenAI. The whole world of software providers had for years been working on this technology. That's probably why it feels like it's exploded so quickly. But really, this was a decade or so in the making. Just a few months after ChatGPT 3.5 hit the market, Google and Microsoft and Meta and Salesforce and Bloomberg, companies that people are just now starting to learn about, Cohere and Anthropic, all of them coming out with these large language models and generative AI capabilities that we're going to be talking about today. And just notice that the other thing that Gartner does is looks at the timeline that it takes from something to go from peak hype into the plateau of productivity. This is when people are actually really getting the meaningful value out of it. The promise gets delivered. And the timeline for this is pretty short. Gartner is recommending in their research 2 to 5 years. We know that for the next few years to get there, it's going to be a bit of a bumpy ride, just like it is with any other technology. I would argue that we're probably already in what they refer to as the trough of disillusionment. How do we know this? We're starting to hear the stories come out about how this is hard. We're starting to hear some stories around it could be expensive. We're starting to hear stories about some of the vendors are maybe over-promising their capabilities. We hear that some people have had some privacy and data loss issues around the technology. So listen, proceed with caution. And that's one of the things that Ken and I also want to equip this audience with today. How do you accelerate your curve through the hype cycle and accelerate your way into the plateau of productivity? So we're really excited to be